Welcome to the Nifty Chicks, and welcome to this week's episode of NF Tutorials. In this episode, Mint-ECell will walk us through Atomichub using a Wax Cloud wallet. Atomichub is the leading eco-friendly play-to-earn NFT platform with no gas fees. And we like no gas fees. Let's do this. Welcome to the Nifty Chicks. Hi, Mint-ECell. How are you?
Hi, NFT. I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I am still here in New Hampshire, and it is quiet on the lake, but it is cold. I'm wearing a turtleneck. It's July.
I know. That was the first thing I said when I saw you. I'm like, why are you wearing a turtleneck? It is July 5th, and you're wearing a turtleneck.
I am. I cannot deny it. Yeah, it's cold here. I'm on Lake Winnipesaukee, and it's like a high of 70 degrees and cloudy and rainy, and so it is cold.
Oh my gosh.
It warranted a turtleneck.
You are
right?
so Puerto Rican now.
I said that earlier. I was like, wow, this is freezing for a legit Puerto Rican. Okay, so
funny. So funny. Well, I'm excited about today's episode, and part of the reason that I really want to do this was so Wax Cloud wallet and Atomichub are where I first purchased NFTs, being the Garbage Pail Kids, which is what I talk about in like my origin story of how I got into NFTs. So how about you, JenFT? Are you on Wax and using it?
Yes. So actually, Atomichub and Wax was the first wallet I was set up on, thanks to 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 and the Bad Crypto podcast and the Nifty show, because he helped me get that set up and like ultimately kicked off my super deep end trip of NFTs.
So you probably got some blockchain heroes, right?
I do have blockchain heroes. I have some Hot Wheels, and I have some like, oh, what are they called? It's like these really cool cartoon girls. They're really cute and colorful and fun. So I've got a
I'm not sure. There's so many options on Wax that gosh, I was looking at the stats earlier, and I know in the tutorial I talk about it, how many collections there are, how many actual NFTs are trading, and then the amount trading per day. Now, we talk about OpenSea and Ethereum all the time, and Wax is a great alternative. They don't necessarily have the same things as that you're going to find on Ethereum, but it's a great alternative. And like you mentioned in the opening of this show, is that you don't pay gas on Wax, which is
huge.
Awesome. Right?
Yeah, that's huge. That's huge. I mean, there are some times where I bought an NFT on OpenSea using Ethereum, and the gas fees are literally in the hundreds of dollars. So
yeah,
the fact that we can buy and sell NFTs on using Wax on Atomichub without paying any gas fees is, I think, like huge. That's huge.
Yeah, I agree. So the other thing, and I didn't touch on this in this episode, but I want us to do a walkthrough of how to actually create on Wax, because it's a great alternative, to using OpenSea. I mean, besides, the no gas fees, but we will have to talk about that in another episode of the Nifty Chicks. So in the meantime, I say we get to it.
Let's do it.
Welcome to this Nifty Chicks tutorial covering Atomichub and the Wax Cloud wallet. I'm really excited about this tutorial because this is where I actually started my NFT journey with the Garbage Pail Kids NFTs back in February 2020. One of the main things that I love about the Wax Cloud wallet is that there are actually no gas fees, which is really cool. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to give you an overview of the platform, and then we're going to walk through how to create a Wax Cloud wallet. So you can see here, there's all kinds of different options for NFTs you can purchase. They've got Hot Wheels, Tops, which is Garbage Pail Kids that I mentioned, Taco, which I've never heard of, Castles, the NFT game, the Wax Atomichub platform is great for gaming. You can see, I mean, they're working with all kinds of top brands: Funko, Marvel, DC, Hasbro, Topps, Mattel, Atari, Nickelodeon. There's My Little Pony. I mean, it's just crazy everything that they're doing over here. So you're going to want to check this out. So let's move over to the Explorer. This is where you are able to search the collections. You can see that they have over 105,000 collections created, 290 million NFTs, and 248,000 transactions today. That's just today. So that's crazy. So here you can browse through the different collections. Let's just click on Topps and see what they've got. This is MLB. So you can buy packs that you open. You can check out, what's trading, the market volume, top sellers, top buyers, total volume. So basically just giving you an idea of what's going on out there. Then you can check, let's see, let's go back. So there's more of the different collections. You can look at templates. So let's just pick one of these templates. So you can use these templates and then automatically have the attributes set in the template so that the NFTs can be transferred, NFTs can be burned. Basically, this is a template to help you start creating your own NFTs. Okay, so now let's look at the market. This is where you can buy and sell your NFTs. So, simply click sell. Obviously, you need to have a wallet connected with NFTs in it in order to sell. And I have not put anything in this yet. I haven't even set up my wallet yet. So there's nothing there to sell. But this is where you would sell if you're interested in selling your NFTs. And then you can trade, but you need to log in, and then you can also create. So let's go ahead and go over to create a wallet. And this gives you two options here: a WaxCloud wallet or an Anchor wallet. I actually have both, but I'm going to go with the WaxCloud wallet today because I don't need an app to do that. And I'm on my desktop, so I don't want to have to download an app. This is better. The Anchor wallet is better if you are on your mobile phone. So let's go ahead and select that we're going to set up a WaxCloud wallet. I hereby accept the terms and conditions. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Wax is super easy to get set up on. So here we're going to go ahead and do the CAPTCHA. Let's pick all the motorcycles. And motorcycles. Hopefully that will do it. Okay. Oh, we can't offer you because enough data to verify. Oh, I am using a VPN, so I'm going to turn that off. And you may need to turn that off in order to verify. Let's see if this one works. Select all the boats. Okay, we're going to complete, finish. So we're going to go ahead and click launch WCW, the WaxCloud wallet. And here we go. Now I'm going to set up an email, a username, and password. So then once you've entered your email and password, you will check your email to confirm. So I'm going to go over to my email and confirm. And then once you have confirmed that, then you'll go to your email and click activate your account. Okay, so once you have activated your account from your email, then you're going to go log back in and you're going to accept the terms of service and verify that you are at least 18 years of age. So you better be over 18. Okay, accept and continue. Now it is preparing my wallet. So you can see how easy this is. I mean, it's as simple as just setting up an email and password, and goes pretty quickly. And here we go. So this is where you will see your wallet address. It's 𝐼ZF3E.C.WAM, which is different than what I've seen in the past. But so you can see I've got a 0 wax balance because I haven't put any money in there. And then this looks a little bit different because it's your wax wallet, which is different than what I was showing you on the Atomichub. So you can see here, these would be the NFTs that you've got. It looks like I was awarded a WCW badge as a new user. These are apps that you can connect. That's a totally different story. We're not going to talk about that today. Looks like you can stake your tokens if you wanted to. Here's where you get all the latest in wax news. Bridge to ETH. So you can transfer ETH for wax, NFT bridge, and DeFi. So these will be things that we can go through in a future episode. I really just wanted to give you a brief overview of how to get started with wax. So let's go ahead and click on the Buy Wax P. So you can see the different options here. You've got MoonPay, Simplex, Binance, Crypto.com, OKX, OKCoin, Bittrex, KuCoin, Upbit, Wobi Global, BitThumb, and Change Now. So I did think that there was a way to purchase with a credit card. So we're going to buy crypto using USD. I'm going to use a Visa. There is a 1.99% fee. So let's say I want to buy $25 in USD. I'm going to get 250 wax. I'm going to go ahead and create the order using, okay. Orders must be between 50. Okay. I guess you have to do at least 50 USD in order to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click create order. And from here, I'm going to confirm my email address. There we go. And then my phone number. Okay. Well, it denied my access for that credit card. So I'm not going to be able to put wax on for this example. However, I should be able to transfer some NFTs from my other account into this account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can at least see. So I just transferred that over. Let's see. So there we go. We got this 𝐬𝐤𝐬 number 4 that I transferred over. And just to give you an example, so if you were, here's where you find out the details on this. I am now the owner of it. It came from Stony Cards 1. You can see the name, the rarity, website, history. So this came from my account into this new account that I just created. And if you wanted to list it on the market, it's as simple as that. And then the price that you want to list it at, and then confirm. You will pay some fees to list. And then if you wanted to transfer it like what I just did, you would click on more, transfer. You can create a gift link. You can burn it. You can trade it with somebody. So there's all kinds of different options for you to do here on Atomichub with the Wax Cloud wallet. I did want to mention that you can create collections here. This is a great place for getting started with creating NFT collections. I'm not going to walk through that today. I think that's more of an in-depth tutorial that we will do in another episode, but I just wanted to give you guys a brief overview of Atomichub and the Wax Cloud wallet. So hopefully this was helpful. Okay, so GenFT, I hope that everybody, enjoyed that walkthrough of Wax and getting started. As it showed in the tutorial, I did have some issues with my credit card getting approved. I think that's just based on the bank. And sometimes you're going to run into that, and you may just have to try a couple different credit cards and other in order to find the one that works, because some banks won't approve those charges because they don't like crypto.
Yeah. And I mean, it's great for everyone to know that there are going to be hiccups. This isn't super fine-tuned and worked out. Everything's not worked out quite yet. So that's a very
Right.
common thing for things to, to come up against speed bumps. And you just got to be creative, be nimble, be flexible, be willing to try other things. But ultimately, I think our goal, Mint-ECell, is to bring, other marketplaces to light. And hopefully we'll be sharing, kind of doing what we did today, but with all the other kind of top marketplaces too, to expand our listeners' horizons with marketplaces and NFT
Definitely,
space.
definitely. Because there's so many different ones. And we want you guys to, if nothing else, just be aware of the other options out there so that you're not, solely dependent on OpenSea. And that's the only place that
Right.
you're looking or buying.
Right. And no gas. Just love that.
Right.
I love
I
it.
love that. I love that. So I just want to say, make sure that you are subscribed on our YouTube channel and click that bell so that you know when a new episode is live.
That's right. And as always, thank you so much for listening to the Nifty Chicks. Always remember, invest in yourself. You are worth it. Please listen carefully to the following disclaimer. Neither the host nor the guests of the Nifty Chicks podcast are acting in the capacity of financial advisors. We wish to remain transparent and impartial to the NFT community at all times, and therefore, the content provided by the Nifty Chicks hosts and guests are intended for general information purposes only. Nothing written or discussed by the Nifty Chicks hosts and guests should be construed or relied upon as investment, financial, legal, regulatory, accounting, tax, or similar advice. Nothing should be interpreted as a solicitation to invest in any cryptocurrency or NFT, and nothing herein should be construed as a recommendation to engage in any investment strategy or transaction. Please be advised that it is in your own best interest to consult with investment, legal, tax, or similar professionals regarding any specific situation and any prospective transaction decisions. You must do your own research when considering investing in cryptocurrencies or NFTs. We are simply sharing our journey with you as we learn more about the world of NFTs. Happy minting.